Hey everyone, what if I told you you might never have to share your phone number on WhatsApp again? WhatsApp is finally making your phone number optional with its new username features. Just like Instagram or Telegram, you will be able to create a unique username that people can use to find and message you without ever saying your phone number. Now let's see how it works. To check if the feature has reached your account, open WhatsApp. Click the three dot on the upper side corner, then go to Settings, then click on Accounts, and then you can see the username option here. Now, if you don't see it yet, don't worry, it's rolling out gradually, so not everyone will get it at the same time. Now, to add your unique username, you can create any unique username you like from the Create Username tab, or you can also use your same existing Instagram or Facebook username for WhatsApp as well by selecting any of this below. So remember, you can only add between 3 to 35 characters only. Now let's create our unique username. I'll choose my channel name. Now let's see if it's available. Okay, it's available. Now save it and done. Now you can also choose who can contact you through your username. If you allow anyone who knows your username can message you. If you choose the more private option, then only people with your unique sharing key will be able to start a chat. Now the biggest advantage here is privacy. You won't have to reveal your personal phone numbers to strangers, clients, online sellers, or new contacts. Just share your username instead. But here's the catch. If you are someone from India, the Indian government has reportedly asked WhatsApp to pause the rollout over concerns that fake usernames could make online scams easier. WhatsApp says it's building protection and other safeguards, but we will have to see how effective they are once the feature is fully available. So, would you rather share your phone number or just your WhatsApp username? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow Guideverse for more tech updates.